Hey guys, it's Carl Allen. I'm here in Mexico City. I'm checking out the Aztec pyramids. They've been here thousands and thousands of years. I don't know if you noticed, I've just been walking around and there's like a whole bunch of ants like running around like crazy. And you know what's really interesting? That's how most entrepreneurs go about trying to find businesses to buy. They don't know where to find businesses for sale. They don't know where to find financing for these businesses, and they don't know how to sit down and talk to a business owner in a private and confidential way and agree a structure where they can buy their business without using their own money. And this is what I've been doing for the past 30 years, and I have mastered all of these tools and strategies, and I'm going to make them available to you as part of my 10-day business buying challenge. So I really want you to come on board and learn from me. I'm a master of this process, and don't be like a headless ant running around like crazy, you know, trying to do this without any education, without any strategies, without any tools, without any coaching. I can give you all of that and make you really, really successful. So click the link below to find out more, and I'll see you in the challenge. Until then, bye for now.